Stolen wide body kit on this RX-7. This is Key's RX-7.
The whole thing, dude.
Fuck. Dude, that wing is custom. Only for this car. This fucking design is crazy. Good Jesus, this is literally in the process of getting wide booty, sorta nice. This is insane. What body kit is this, Key?
Huh?
What body kit is this?
Pan speed.
What is it?
Pan speed.
Pan speed? Pan speed. Shut up. His RX-7 is down right now. Got some sort of vacuum leak, so his butt hurt. What a loser.
Bonnie can go.
Yeah. Booty hurt. Gonna have to cut the fender next, and Stefan was just working on riveting the fenders, the rear fenders. Golly. That shit hurts to watch.
I think that shit's easier than this.
That's
I'm
gotta
gonna change
hurt.
it to black bolts later.
What?
I'm gonna change it to black bolts later.
Rivet.
Oh, this? It's a rivet, though.
These I can't. These black, I'm gonna get that black. All these black later.
It's all about the
And
process.
the carbon, there's a carbon strip that goes here.
Look at that.
Yeah, you told me about the strip.
Golly. That looks good though. What do you think?
Sexy.
Sexy. I like that.
Very sexy.
How about me? Am I sexy?
No.
Would you ever, for $1 billion, would you ever suck me off? No. You would. You said you would. Lying
You said
sack of
you
shit.
will.
I mean, yeah, of course I will. For $1 bill? Of course.
1 bill? No, you said 2.
2? No, I said 1.
It's gonna be fucking Porsche purple.
Damn. Leaking all the stuff for the channel is crazy right now. Damn. This is wild, dude.
So he's just waiting for it now? I forgot the paint.
Done.
Wait, really? You gonna let me drive this car once it's done?
Just gonna take it to the JDM dentist meet.
Ooh. Ooh. Sort of sexy. Damn.
Gonna do a vlog.
Bro, this is so cool. I don't know, it looks really fucking aggressive. This is insane. What do you think, Stefan?
I think this is probably gonna be the coolest kid in the U.S. right now.
Probably, huh?
Nobody else has this shit.
She's the only one, right, in the U.S.?
As far as we know.
Yup. So far as we know.
Big booty hook.
And with that wing, too. That is insane, dude, this wing. So this wing, it literally bolts at this guy. So this wing, guys, it bolts it from underneath. You have to, like, bolt it underneath. And it bolts it. License plate?
Sex.
Oh, oh, shit, I just realized that.
I think it's ammonia.
Damn.
Look at this.
Wait,
Where's the
don't
sensor?
say that.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby.
Justine's face.
Yikes.
I know, yikes.
Okay.
God damn.
Shit.
Holy shit.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like fucking Batman.
Oh, I'm gonna nuts. Oh, CP, come here. Give me your face.
Got it! With a carbon hood too?
That is, yeah, huh? Yeah, huh?
Dope.
One last time. I'm still horny. No kidding.
I
God.
like the
Dude.
way it flows right here, bro.
Yeah?
It's like the whole thing like this.
Yeah? Do that again. Do that motion again.
Fuck, I like the way it flows like this.
Yeah? What else does it flow? Shit, dude, this looks good.
Looks fucking really good.
God, what do you guys think?
Looks like Batmobile.
Yeah, huh? Justine? Your comment?
It's the Batman movie.
You okay? You okay? What's going on?
Tired.
Yeah, I feel you. It is late at night. It's like 10 at night right now. And I got work tomorrow too. Damn, that looks fucking good. Bro, this looks insane. This is literally one of one from Japan. This box literally came and the whole kit came in that box. I literally can fit in here. It's crazy. What? What happened? What? Huh?
Will you be bending over to?
Oh, wait, who said that? That's not my hand. I don't know nothing. Oh, that hand. No, that's not my hand at all. That hand? No, that's smaller. Damn. What happened?
Just a left nut.
Left
You
nut?
only got one nut.
Really?
One nut.
You do? Can I see it?
Just look at this right here.
It's extra brown.
Fucking crazy this shit.
That's what I'm saying.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Do, 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 do. Whoa. Move your head. Oh, this is for me?
Just don't die. Oh my god, please.
Oh, shit.
Don't die.
That's oil. Oh, God. Somebody, can you poke my butt, please? Dude, this is insane. This angle is insane. Holy shit, she's thick. Holy fuck. What do you think, CP?
She's thick.
Thick.
You got no comment. What do you think, Stefan?
Dick.
Thick? With how many?
10 Cs,
10 C's. 10 C's, crazy.
This guy get the first.
10 C's. Oh my god, dude. This looks...
Dennis
Dude.
coming in his pants.
God. Side angle, side angle. Side angle. The side shots.
What do you mean by that?
You know what I'm saying? It's like Bukake Fest.
What did he say?
Take that tape off, CP.
Oh. God, that looks insane. You're the only one, Key. How does it feel? You're the only one with this body kit.
Excited.
Yeah, huh? You're gonna start winning all the car shows.
Trying to, man.
Yeah, huh? You're gonna beat CP with trophies.
Hell yeah, let's do all this trophy.
CP's gonna be hella man. Now, next thing you know, he's gonna have one-on-one body kit of himself. It's gonna be hella funny. Look at him over there. He's hella salty, dude. Huh? Salty, huh?
Fuck you guys.
He's hella salty. Ooh, getting that shots. Damn, dude. Was not expecting this tonight. So as you guys know, I am Japanese, so I can read this. So this is from Ehime-ken, which is the Shikoku Prefecture. So Ehime-ken Shikoku Chuo. So yeah. So the Chuo city of the Shikoku. Nice.
You bought one
Damn.
case in the fucking middle of it. No.
Yeah, so this is like for the shotgun and stuff.
18 by 12.
Or yeah.
That's what fucking.
I know the wheel offset is not great right now.
Like the fucking food guy.
But damn, dude. This angle is insane. What?
Sick.
You want me to lay one? It's like that, you know, the black guy that's squatting down with his massive sling out. That's gonna be me. But with me, my size, it's gonna be, you know. Oh, it's not that big, Justine. Come on now.
Wait, what do you mean?
What? What? What's going on, Ivan? How big is yours?
Shit, you're saying.
20 inch. Whoa.
Whoa, that's why she has him, right? Hey. God damn. That side fender. Look at that. Look at that. Make sure I'm not trying to step on stuff here. I gotta watch out. Damn, the fender's fucking insane. So I know this side is open right now. Like it has an open space. Are you gonna put something here, like a mesh?
Mesh, like a
Mesh
black
cover,
mesh.
right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's gonna
okay.
look like this, but in black.
Yeah, gotcha. Yep. And in the back here too. Is that correct?
Yep.
Same thing in the back.
Here and in the front too.
Okay. But you're gonna leave this one open, right?
Yeah, that one's gonna be.
Okay, gotcha.
So you see the tires. So it looked like this, like that.
Oh,
But
I
we
see
we
now.
took out the light one up, adding.
Adding the light. Okay, gotcha. Damn, that's gonna be insane. Go with me. Send me back to Japan. Someone send me back to the motherland. Please, Stefan, help me.
It's a sex.
What the fuck? He's a sex
So when they scan it, just mark as a sex.
He's fragile.
Dude, I can literally fit in here just fine. Should we just try it? Like, try to ship me back? You think I'll get caught?
You'll probably die.
Think so?
Yeah.
No, I won't. You know what I'm saying? I'll park Cuban. Well, I guess if I fart myself in here, right? I'll probably kill myself. What do you think?
Yeah. Bro, why didn't you do it in there?
I don't know. Why not? Sleeping can go like that. You know what I'm saying? What? It's not weird. It's normal. Come on, Justine. It's not weird.
Okay.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay to be.
You can have your phone
Okay
back
to
now.
be. Why? Thank you for filming, ma'am. Jesus. Oh, it's not. Does not stink. CP earlier had to inhale my fart. I feel bad for him. Damn. Well, let's check out this BMW out real quick. It was, I'm pretty sure, at the Ridge last weekend. Questionable number 84. I think he just had an 8 and he had to change the number because I'm pretty sure there was some other guy with number 8. Looks autistic, but it's okay. I'm autistic too, so. Damn, this wing goes kind of crazy. Oh, it's just like the 320 AI S? Oh. That was like a M3. I guess it's not. Ooh, caged up. Just seat and dash. And steering wheel. Literally. But this thing hooks hawk to the spit on that thing. You know what I'm saying? Damn. In the S2000, that one's getting turbocharged. And then over here we have Stefan's race car, and then 180SX. This is 180SX, right-handed drive. So yeah, this Stefan's car is pretty nice. Yo, got my advanced slicks, full-on slick. It's fucking crazy. Supra 300ZX. These are not his cars. This is not his car. This is a customer's car. This is his race car, though. Sheesh. Let me get a better view of it. Look at that. Well, guys, that will pretty much wrap up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yes, that is one of one. So she is the only one that has the Pam Speed body kit for the RX-7 in the United States. She is the first one. So yeah, the car is getting currently painted right now. So you got the new wheels, which is the Rays, if I'm right, ZR40s. That's what she got. Very beautiful wheels. Next time I'll show you guys the aftermath of the paint and the wheel setup and everything after the car's done. I'll show you guys. But anyways, guys, we are headed to Japan here again. So I'm going back to my motherland again for a whole month, almost a whole month. It's like 3.5 weeks or so. So yeah, you're gonna see me going back to Japan a lot here because my grandmother in Japan, she's very getting old, and I'm trying to spend as much as time with her. So yeah, there's a lot of things going on, but I mean it's a good thing too because at the same time I get to film car content and all that. But anyways, Miss Kirati, the owner of that RX-7 and in the PNW race, the whole group is coming with us to Japan for the first time. For me, it's the first time at the Tokyo Auto Salon. I don't know about the other people, but for me, this is my first time at Tokyo Auto Salon, so I am excited. So yeah, after probably the Tokyo Auto Salon, I do want to go to the Osaka Auto Salon in my life. Never been there because Osaka, city of Osaka is right next to my city, Kobe. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. One more thing is that, yes, you guys been waiting on my RSX content. You guys are, everyone's like, where's the RSX? What's going on? Good news, guys. A few days ago, I did receive my final part that I was waiting from Spoon. My LSD came in, and it is time to drop the transmission on this car and get a transmission rebuilt and all that. So I'm going to be showing you guys how it's done step by step. So yeah, replacing the clutch, pretty much everything. Gonna have LSD. This car is gonna be hooking it at the track. So with the clutch type LSD and all that. Next step is to buy different wheel size. I am gonna be selling my TE37s on this car because the offset is too aggressive. It's offset 22 and offset 35 is a perfect offset for this car. So that's my next plan. So yeah, Vince, hit me up. Hit up at PNW. Is it PNW Tires and Wheels? Hit them up. I'll leave it right here on the Instagram. I think that's what it was. I follow them. It's PNW Tires and Wheels. I think that's what it was for a better pricing. So make sure to hit them up and all that. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Other than guys, the Japan trip is right around the corner, man. I'm going back there January. So this time it's gonna be a lot more actions. That's for sure. That's what I want to say. So yeah, there's gonna be, I kind of planned out what I'm gonna be filming and all that stuff. So yeah. maybe a little bit more toge runs with my friends back home. Who knows? If you guys want to see that. I know a lot of people like that. So, yeah. Other than that, guys, peace out and stay thirsty, my friends.